get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.